Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite anti-inflammatory body scrub. Okay, so I'm going to use oats. There's 1 cup in here. Then I put 2 teaspoons of Epsom salts, and I have 2 different types. This is for relaxing with eucalyptus and spearmint, and this is activated charcoal. 1, 2. Then, of course, apple cider vinegar is something that I use in a lot of things, and it's really great to restore the skin's pH levels, which is also good if anybody has dry scalp or any type of flaking scalp. 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. It's highly moisturizing. So I'm gonna use a little bit more because I need some moisture. Again, I always feel like it's fun to play around with recipes and add your own flair. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Goat milk is also a really nice, calming ingredient. When I was little, I was actually allergic to dairy, all dairy except for goat milk. And I've done an 11-day goat milk cleanse in the past, which is... I've also added beer in the past to this mixture because it's nice and rich in minerals. Everything is blended really nicely together. Put it in this cute little jar and bring up to the bath. If you keep it refrigerated, it could last for probably a few weeks. I mean, this is probably, I would say, 2 shower or baths worth right here. This is my homemade anti-inflammatory body scrub. Try this recipe. Let me know what you think in my comments. Thanks for watching.